Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up, Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Sule'S Elks Stepping. The song is Stepping Out to the Elks. The artist is KENNEY, ROLLO, and the choreography is Tina B and VICKY Smith. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674 and let's get it. And there you go. That is Sule'S Stepping Out at the Elks. My name is Linda Sims. I am the lead teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana.